In this amateur video today, I'll be talking about AirPod service and repair. Here's the website. It's kind of long and maybe a little too confusing for some, so I'll try to provide a simple explanation. Uh, so what's covered under limited warranty? It's basically any defects with the AirPod or charger. So if for some reason it just randomly breaks and either it stops connecting to your iPhone or iPad or it stops charging, it probably is covered under your limited warranty, and that's for a year. What's not covered is damage. So if you drop your your AirPods, or you drop them in water and for some reason they stop working, that wouldn't be covered. Or if you lose your AirPods, one thing that's kind of vague is normal use of the battery. They say if you've normally used your battery and it's gone bad, it may not be covered under warranty. So this is a question mark. You'd really have to talk to support because they can check how many charges you've done on the AirPods. So if you have done one of the things that make it out of warranty, there's an out of warranty replacement cost of $89 for AirPod Pro and $69 for regular AirPod. So that's the replacement cost out of warranty. And likewise, I mentioned the battery. So if you talk to someone from support and they say that the battery isn't covered because it's normal use of what you've done, I mean, hopefully within a year they'll replace the battery, but if they don't, it'll cost $49 to replace the battery out of warranty. And finally, how long does it take to replace? They say about a week. And what do I need to start the process? You can try to do it online, but I'm sure many of you guys don't like doing the online chat. So you can set up an appointment with an Apple store, and you'll need the following. They'll need your serial number, so bring a charging case or proof of purchase or the original AirPods box along with your original AirPods. And so hopefully they answer some basic questions about warranty. Again, I'm just an amateur here trying to explain something basic instead of having to go through all of this information over here, which isn't too bad. You can read it. So good luck.